Hello my pandas, welcome to another video. So I know I was supposed to upload my birthday vlog, but I'm going to be uploading it at the same time as this video. I have just been so busy with schoolwork and yeah, so I've been trying my best to just edit and upload on time, but you know what, as long as I'm uploading now, right? So VLLO came out with a Christmas update, well, an update, and it just happens to be a Christmas update as well. So I'm gonna be showing you guys those features, but the main stars of this video is how I zoom into my videos, especially the slow zoom. The quick zoom is or rather when I like instantly zoom into like a part of my face and then go back to normal, revert to normal. I'll be explaining that as well, but the star of the video is slow zoom, and then I'm going to be getting into the new update features as well. So yeah, let's get into this. So I want to make this as easy to understand as possible, so I'm just going to say that we're going to be using partial setting for our slow zooming. But just to explain what partial setting is, it's basically adding a particular setting to a certain part of the video. So if you want it zoomed in for one part, and just so that it zoomed like smoothly, that's why you'll use partial setting. So this is very different from instant zoom. That's why we'll be using partial setting for the slow zooming. But I'll be explaining instant zoom later in this video. So the first thing you'll need to do is just turn on partial setting. And the moment you turn it on, it's gonna add a checkpoint, which is that diamond thing. The next point that you add another checkpoint is gonna be the part that you're either zooming into or zooming out of. So you'll notice that once you've added this checkpoint and you add another one, once you add this, it means the rest of the video is going to be zoomed in. So you're going to need to add another checkpoint to zoom out of the video again. So adding a checkpoint is really just pressing that transparent diamond at the bottom, and then the rest of the diamonds, to make sure that a checkpoint is selected, it's just going to be green on the inside. So let me just show you guys. That is how our partial setting works. Though I don't really like how that looks, so I'm just going to edit it a little bit. So to add a checkpoint, you're just going to tap on that plus sign, and it's got a minus sign just because the checkpoint is selected. So I just removed a checkpoint with that minus sign. So I'm gonna leave the checkpoints that are already there, and now I want to add another checkpoint. So I'm going to select the checkpoint that is already there, and I'm gonna edit how it looks, or what setting, or how it's zoomed, and then I'm gonna add another checkpoint again, and basically just either zoom in or zoom out depending on what you want to do. So the checkpoint that I already have there, actually I don't remember what I did. Oh yeah I zoomed in on the checkpoint that was already there. But at the end, I wanted to zoom back to the original size, so I'm going to zoom out. I'm going to add another checkpoint at the end. So now you guys can see that it zooms in, then it zooms back out very, very, very smoothly. So that is the end of using partial setting for zooming. So now we're going to go into instant zoom. Instant zoom is pretty straightforward. All you need to do is split at the beginning of where you want to zoom it in, and split it again at the end of where you want it to be zoomed in. So from there, you're just going to tap that clip and you're going to zoom into wherever you want to, have the focus. So this works better obviously if with a video of a person, because here it kind of looks like a very, very distorted partial setting. But that is why partial setting is necessary in some cases and instant zoom is necessary in others. So the first of two updates that came with this update was audio detach, which you use the normal menu, and just tap audio detach. And this works really well if you're going to be making like a movie trailer or like a channel trailer or something cool where you don't want the audio to be exactly on your video. So I'm just going to show you guys like how that works. You just add another video, So again, I'm gonna be blurring everything out because y'all ain't supposed to be saying my things. That's not how we do things, honey. Honey. I don't know why I did that. Anyways, and then from there, I'm just gonna do the thing. You fix your portrait orientation. I've shown you guys how to do that, right? Yeah. I did. I remember, it was the first thing I ever showed you guys. And I just want the clouds to be in view. And then I'm going to take that audio and I think I want to add it to my second video. And now because I'm adding that to my second video, I'm going to mute my second video. So yeah, this update has added so many things I couldn't find the mute button anymore. And then another feature is the freeze frame. So it basically adds like a freeze frame for you, like that. Yeah, like that. And then yeah, those are the only two updates that there were. But the other features in this that I have never actually explained is one, I think it was the speed setting and chroma key. So first, the speed setting basically either speeds your video up or you can also slow it down. Slowing it down can kind of make it choppy depending on how much you slow it down. So the more you slow it down, the more choppy it becomes. So this is like the slowest setting. You guys can see like how choppy it is. It's just like, no, it's not doing the things. So usually I have to make it like 1.5 times slower, but otherwise I like playing with the speed setting. And then the other one is the green screen feature that I wanted to show you guys, or actually no, the reversing it. All it does is it converts it and then it reverses the video. It doesn't really show well because this is clouds, so I don't know how clouds get reversed. They can't be reversed. Like, that doesn't make sense. Why am I even... I'm looking at a cloud that looks like a swan right now because I'm like chilling like outside in the car. But anyways, so then the other feature is just blurring. I don't know if I showed you guys in the previous video. And then finally it's the green screen. So green screen, you just tap on the part that the color that you want to like take out, and then you change the saturation until it completely removes the part you want to remove. Obviously it's not working that well for me right now, but that's why it's better to use either green screen or a blue screen. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope it was helpful. If there's anything else you guys want to see, don't forget to leave a comment below, leave a big thumbs up, subscribe if y'all want to see more, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.